Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use exit log for 5M and how to optimize your connection for lower ping, reduce packet loss, and smoother roleplay gameplay. If you want to try exit log with a 1-year 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. And let's get started. First, you have to download and install ExitLog on your PC. Once the installation is complete, open the application and log into your account. Next, use the search bar in the connection tab and search for the 5M or 5M GTA. Then you will be redirected into the server section. Click the choose a region, and there's a two option here, the manual and the automatic server. For the best result, I recommend using the settings into automatic and choose the best region, which is Asia. Select the multi-path routing into enabled and the TCP routes into 0 and the UDP routes into 4. Once you configure the settings, click the apply routes and finish to optimize your connection. After the routes have been applied, launch 5M normally and join your preferred server. If you're playing on a server located in another country or region, ExitLog can help improve routing and reduce connection instability caused by your ISP's network path. While playing, pay attention to your ping and connection quality. Many players are use ExitLog to reduce rubber banding, vehicle desync, delayed interactions, and packet loss issues in crowded roleplay servers. Keep in mind that ExitLog cannot create true zero ping. Your distance from the server still affects latency. What ExitLog can do is to optimize your route and provide a more stable connection by avoiding inefficient network paths. For the best experience, also make sure to use a wired internet connection whenever possible. Close background downloads and streaming applications. Join the server region closest to your location and restart your router if you're experiencing network issues. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy a smoother 5M experience with ExitLog. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, optimization guides, and setup tips. And don't forget, if you want to try ExitLog with a 1-year 50% discount, check out the sign up link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.